Welcome back to episode 3, Founder Point of View. This ep is all about behind the scenes in real time. I'm going to do less talking and you're going to see more action.
So I was invited into the office today by Suzanne. She's seen my TikTok and we had a conversation.
Okay, so let's get down into business chats.
Right, I have notes.
This conversation with Demi really reinforced how important it is to have conversations with customers and creators. I really want to get into her head and find out exactly what she's thinking.
Leaning into obviously the full glam look, the art of getting ready, it can be a process.
What are you buying for?
I feel like we just buy for identity. I can't believe I literally set up a TikTok account 3 weeks ago and now I'm being invited to a Sosu photo shoot on Thursday with Suzanne. I'm so excited.
Sarah. So this is still very much skincare.
Yeah.
This is more the vibe that I see.
Sex in the City vibes.
It's skincare when getting ready. It's slightly chaotic. I think that we were missing the chaos.
I love it.
In the scene.
Yeah, agree.
We want maybe a pair of knickers and thing. Or
Yeah.
a shoe or something.
Or a martini glass.
A martini glass. And you can have your full circle where here you're getting ready with your mates, you're going out, and then you're coming back and you're taking on your makeup off it.
Mood boarding for me isn't about the aesthetic, it's about the mood. It's the way it makes you feel as the customer. When we bring you into this world of skincare, how do you feel? For me, with Sosu, it's all about getting ready, getting your glam on with your girlfriends, prepping your skin ahead of glam, and then removing your glam after your night out. I want to bring that world alive in the photo shoot this week.
Yeah, so I feel, what are we waiting for? We know what we want. I think the shoot, we have everybody boxed off for this Thursday. Let's just go ahead.
This is where the ideas get shaped into something real. Without a vision, we cannot execute, but it's really important for me that now that we have the vision very clear with clarity, that we execute and we deliver exactly what we want.
Model-wise, hear me out. I'm thinking myself, obviously, Lynn Kelly, she's so synonymous to the brand. She's such a glam girl. And Talia Heffernan, she's gym, she's cool, she's sexy, and let's get that Sex in the City vibe. We need to just go back to our glam roots and just go all in with this shoot and show up with this launch and blow the socks off everyone. Is like, oh my god, Sosu's back.
I would prefer to try and go for something like this and be like, listen, we tried, even if it's not going to fail, but I'd rather do this fail than be safe.
Yeah, I totally agree.
We're here at the photo shoot today and I am so excited for you to understand and see how everything comes together. It is not easy. It takes a village and there are so many people here. But we're going to show you how a photo shoot happens, what goes on behind the scenes, and I'm also going to talk to you a little bit about the products. You've got your eye gels, which are really great for hydrating under the eyes. You've got your aqua mask, which is my absolute favourite. I love it. It is a gel to a white texture, so it goes on like a jelly, and then when you work it into the skin, it turns white. You'll see this on Talia and Lynn, and then when it goes clear, you know it's time to remove, and it just gives you the most hydrated, glowing skin. Perfect for prep for your makeup. The cleansing oil is great for the morning to prep your skin ahead of your day, or the cleansing oil is also really good for removing your makeup. Because it is an oil to a milk, it's really hydrating on the skin. It's not going to strip your skin, but it will remove the makeup. We want to get rid of lashes, liner, full glam, which is what Sosu is known for, and that cleansing oil is phenomenal. So come behind the scenes with me and I'll show you the girls in action. Let's go. We have so much going on here at the scenes. We have UGC creators, we have product photography going on, videography, campaign shots, BTS shots, you name it, it's all happening here today. The house is crazy, it's manic, but it's exciting. The lovely Fiona here on set today, and she's the stylist, and I love everything she's picked.
Style is loungewear, which is for the first 2 looks.
We've got some bathrobes, of course, we've got some headbands, we've got cute little PJs for all the kind of getting ready outfits or when you come home from your night out.
And then we go into full on glam. We don't have a rail because we're in the sitting room, so I'm just kind of laying everything out so you can see everything, see what colours we're going to use.
And then we go into our glam scene, which I'm so excited about. We've got some 2-pieces, we've got some beautiful dresses, and the girls are going to look incredible.
Yeah, the glam stuff is all in these bags here, but I'm going to take them out in a minute and I'll give you a little.
So we're behind the scenes now. Talia is in shot and we have the face mask on her, the aqua face mask. Have a look.
Finished skincare and all our gorgeous skincare products have been filmed and photographed, and now we're into my favourite part, which is the full glam.
Paula and Sarah are doing the makeup and we've got Robbie and Jane on the hair, and I think they are doing an incredible job. I know the glam will come to life, it always does, but I have to push for it. Sometimes pushing, whilst you're also a model in the shoot, isn't ideal. I feel a bit narky. I think we need to shoot downstairs. We've done enough bedroom for today. This needs to be glam. Like you're in your friend's house, getting ready to go out. Sitting room, hall, coming in the door. Okay. Like this is not so soon. No more bedroom. Okay guys, we're going to move downstairs. I don't want to do any more upstairs if that's okay. Enough bedroom shots. We were in that bedroom from 7 a.m. till 2 p.m. doing clean girl shots. Everything we said we won't do. I'm really happy with the lifestyle stuff, but we need more glam. Now I really want us to move downstairs and photograph with the piano, in the sitting room, in the bar. This house that we've rented is incredible. And this is where we're going to bring the glam to life. Now we are in full glam. This is the skin after all the beautiful skincare today. And my skin is glowing, I love it.
Oh, this is absolutely fab. I knew that.
Oh, gorgeous! You sexy girl.
Gorgeous. Stunning. Stunning.
Am I doing jewelry?
Ready to shoot.
I can't help it if I'm popping, see them watch like it's outrageous how this flavor got them shook like.
Hold up.
You can't play me, rein me in, or try and tame me. I feel fabulous.
The skin looks so good. That mask is
Yeah, really good. I think the simple is nice on Mrs. Anne. Yeah, 100%.
Okay, good.
Sometimes I feel alone, like I'm wasting my time. Feels like wasted of my life.
I hope you enjoyed the day today. It looks clean, but then it gets glam, it gets sexy, and that's what it's going to be all about for this launch. It's been a long day, there's lots of people here. We got social media content, we got video content, we got photography, we got BTS, we got founder point of view content, you name it, we got it. And the glam is back.
The shoot is wrapped and I'm now with Lily and Patrick, and we're just looking back at all the videography and photography together. Collectively, we all kind of agree that we've missed a piece.
Yeah, this is what I wanted for everybody.
The vision for me is really important, that we see the whole vision through. So I've asked Patrick to give me a bit of his time next week to capture extra glam shots. He said it's no problem. I know exactly where we're going with this, and I won't stop until I get it right. The consumer trials are in. Let me read.
When going through the selects on Friday, I've noticed that there is zero imagery of the cleansing oil or the removal of the glam, which was a very, very important part of this brief. Now we're probably going to have to reshoot.
That's it for episode 3, guys. I hope you enjoyed coming behind the scenes at a chaotic photo shoot. I'm really excited to show you guys all the selects and all the happenings going on next week in episode 4. See you there.